This quick tutorial shows how to set up a Google Meeting and share a presentation with the audience. The first thing that you'll notice is you can either create a new meeting or join a meeting by copying and pasting the link that was shared with you. Moving across the screen from left to right, you'll see the name of the person who's hosting the meeting, the time, and the join code. Email or text the join code to invite other people. Next, you'll see the microphone and the camera options. If your laptop is closed like mine, you'll get an error message. I'm going to click Dismiss and keep going. The CC icon allows you to add closed captions for you to view. Emojis can be used if you want your participants to be able to add reactions. These just click on and off, and are color customizable. This icon is for presenting your screen. We'll get back to that in just a second. Use the Raise Your Hand feature to keep conversations organized. Click the phone icon to leave or end the call. If you leave the call, the participants can continue the Google Meeting without you. If you end the call, everyone in the meeting gets disconnected. Only the host has the option to end the call. The people icon shows who's in the call. It's simple to add people. I'm going to invite Carmen and send her an email from right here. The chat feature allows you to send messages to everyone on the call. The people on the call can send messages as well unless the host disables the feature. Now let's talk about presenting. There are 3 options for presenting. You can present a tab, a window, or your entire screen. If you have sound that you want to share, use a tab. Right now, I have 4 tabs open. As I click each tab, Google Meet shows a preview of what the audience will see. I'll share this tab. The only thing the audience will see is the host's picture and the tab that was chosen. You'll see a monitor icon on the tab that I'm showing. I can click that tab to interact with the content. Now I can interact with the tab as well as keep an eye on exactly what the audience sees. If I click another tab, my audience's view does not change. Instead, I get a message asking if I want to stop sharing or share this tab instead. Notice that when I click Stop Sharing, it goes back to the original screen with just my face. Share a window if you have a document, a spreadsheet, or a presentation. In this case, I have a presentation that I want to share. Notice that the presentation fills the entire screen. I have the presentation on another monitor so I can advance through the slides. My audience only sees my mouse in the slideshow. When I'm ready to stop presenting, I just click the button and my face goes back to the full screen. The last option is to share the entire screen. In this case, simply choose which screen you want to share. Thank you for watching, but it's time to wrap up your call. Click the phone icon. Have a great rest of the day.